2016 Chrysler 300C Base RWD Granite Crystal Metallic Clear Coat Service performed by John Sinclair Nissan. New oil filter and 5,000 miles synthetic oil change. BG engine performance restoration. It dissolves deposits, prevents sludge buildup. BG advanced formula W/MOA-Stabilizes oil viscosity, sludge and varnish. BG fuel system cleaner restores vehicle performance and power. Winter service special, fuel injector treatment. Fuel system drier and coolant system additive. Replaced air filter, replaced in-cabin microfilter helps with allergies. New wiper blades. 4-wheel computerized alignment. 20 by 8.0 polished aluminum wheels. 4-wheel independent touring suspension. Quick order package 22D. Odometer is 33,936 miles below market average 19/31 city/highway mpg.